Hey everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. We are Isha and Ashish, and in this video we are taking you through the Harry Potter studio tour in London. We drove to the location, but you can also book tickets that include a round trip from central London by bus. Check out the link in the description for some great deals. If you're a Harry Potter fan, definitely watch till the end. You'll get to see many of the original props and set used in the actual movies, and by the time we wrap up, I'm sure you'll be convinced to visit the Warner Bros. Studio yourself. First of all, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our amazing travel stories. Throughout the vlog, we have kept so much of the original sound so you can really feel the authentic vibe and charm of visiting this magical place. We arrived at our book time slots, and shortly after joining the queue, our tour began. A studio staff member gave us a short guided introduction and led us towards the Great Hall, and after that, we are free to explore on our own.
Change in the maze.
The entrance hall to the castle, meaning behind these two doors, just over here. Here's something pretty quite special, but before we get to that, do you have beautifully done? A round of applause, please, for the birthday helpers. And with that, we do keep really join me just in here. Every applause for the first time. What would be lovely set to be constructed for Harry Potter. Now, as we begin discussing this incredible set, starting with, of course, the 400 floating candles right above our heads. Now, you will be thrilled to find out that this is exactly how they were because this entire effect with the candles was initially achieved by suspended above the head of the costume thrown away with, and that is the time that we adopted.
We had plenty of time for photos and to fully immerse ourselves in all the detailed sets and the props inside each section of the studio. Honestly, we had so much fun that it's hard to put into the words. Allow yourself at least 3 to 4 hours to fully explore the studio without rushing. Most visits naturally take around this long, especially if you love stopping for photos and reading all the details.
Extremely dangerous task. Anyone wishing to submit themselves to the tournament.
Then comes the Hagrid's hut, one of my favorite part of the tour. The cozy little cabin and all the tiny details make you feel like Hagrid could walk in at any moment. I kept thinking about how beautifully they filmed everything. The set combined with the visual effect bring every single scene to life in such a stunning way. Walking through the studio, you can really see how much detail and creativity went into making this wizarding world feel real. It honestly made me appreciate the movies even more after seeing the magic behind the scenes. Now we are entering the Forbidden Forest, and it honestly couldn't feel more real than this. The trees, fog, and the lightning make it seem like a true magical woodland, and we even got to interact with the giant spider lurking inside.
I cannot deny that. I cannot deny that. Fresh meat.
For a moment, it really felt like the woods were completely real. Then we arrived at the platform 9 3 quarters and heard the honking of a steam train. Right in front of us was the Hogwarts Express, standing still but puffing out the steam like it was about to depart from the station. We joined a small queue to step inside the train and walk through the compartments, reliving some of the most iconic journey scenes from the film. After covering half of our tour, we arrived at the food court and decided to grab a quick bite. This was where we tried the Butterbeer, a frothy, non-alcoholic drink that tastes like a shortbread and butterscotch.
Just have two Butterbeers. Got the Butterbeer.
Just outside the food court is the outer backyard area, where you'll find the Weasley's house, the triple-decker night bus, the famous Hogwarts Bridge, the Potter's Cottage, and many iconic exteriors. It is a perfect spot to slow down, take photos, and soak in the movie magic all around you. Soon after, we entered the exhibition area dedicated to the making of the Wizarding World. Here you'll find the detailed display about how the sets, the props, costumes, creatures, and special effects were created. We had almost reached the end of our journey when we stepped into the Gringotts Wizarding Bank. Walking through the towering marble pillar and the glittering chandelier felt truly epic. It all built up to a dramatic face-off in the dragon lair, where the fire-breathing dragon made the whole atmosphere feel intense and unforgettable. Now it's finally time to walk down the Diagon Alley, the truly charming wizarding street that leads you towards the final part of the tour, the Hogwarts Castle. As we turned the corner, saw the massive castle outside, it was hard to believe how much of the movies were brought to life with this incredible piece. The way they have lit and detailed it makes the whole castle feel alive, almost like you are standing right outside the real Hogwarts. That's it for our incredible tour of the Wizarding world. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up and share it with your other Harry Potter fan. We'll be back soon with some more amazing travel videos, so stay tuned and don't forget to hit that bell icon for more updates.